Okay, welcome back. In this session, we're going to look at the arrangement of this particular song. And this particular song, it's relatively simple. It doesn't have a high track count. We're going to have a look at that in a second. And instruments are pretty standard. We're looking at drums, bass, piano, vocal, and a little bit of electric guitar in there, okay, for flavor. So there's not a lot going on, but I feel like it's pretty tight. I feel like it's pretty clean, and let's have a listen to it, okay? Let's have a look at the tracks first of all. Let's look at these tracks, and we'll see over here that there's not a lot of tracks, okay? These are dead tracks here. They're all muted. They're all bits and pieces. Some reverb here. Okay, there's folder. These are folder tracks. They don't really count, although, you know, there's some effects on there. But some bus compression. I think there's some compression also on the drums here. Okay, so maybe there's 22, 23 tracks because we're looking at 27 all up from these muted tracks. So minus the effects, I mean, we're looking at maybe 22, 23 tracks of actual audio. And that's not a lot by today's standards, okay? So that's for sure. Okay, so what do we have in this song? We've got basically vocals, okay? We've got drums. We've got a bass, okay? Now the drums and bass come in later on after the first chorus, okay? The piano is pretty much throughout. Yep, pretty much throughout except for this last part, which is acoustic guitar, okay? We just solo that and have a listen. Okay. That's just acoustic guitar there. And vocal, of course. Okay. And we got piano over here. Now, at the start, we got vocal and piano. Okay, we got bells here to start with, of course. And then piano vocal here. The piano kicks in. Okay. Morning, shining bright. Piano vocal, that's it at the start. Okay. My window, the bells, a tambourine is gonna come in the chorus. All the people. We'll skip to the chorus. Have a Merry Christmas. You got the tambourine? Subtle, but it's there. Still piano vocal and the bells. Everything changes right about here at the break. Quiet it down. Here we go. Pretty angel, won't you shine on me? So what do we got here? We're introducing the drums and the bass, okay? And that's on top of the piano and the vocal. The piano's still there, okay? As you can see here, it's a thinner piano, okay? To compensate for what? We're trying to get rid of that low end to make room for the bass. Because here, at the start, we don't have any bass, right? Let's check it out. Let's check out the difference. Here, it's just piano. There's nothing else, and the vocal. Here, and then chorus 2, we've got the drums and the bass to contend with. So check out the difference. Thinner, okay? There's not as much body. Check this out. Okay? So, after the chorus, we come into the break. This is the end of the chorus number 2. We're introducing an electric guitar. Here we go. Simple, very simple. And it's going to stay with us all the way to the end, as you can see here.
In a world of hate. And so let it.
Okay?
But don't you worry.
The drums, as you can see here, have been mixed here. Okay? But more importantly, we've added EQ and this beauty. We're almost distorting here. Look at that. To give it that edge, right? If you take this off, it's clean, too clean, okay?
Wish you all the best now. May your dreams be real.
So, in the end, at the end of this chorus, we're going to do the chorus one more time, and look what happens. Acoustic guitar, vocal. That's it. And the bells. Okay? And the electric guitar. So we killed the drums, basically, and the bass. Right at the end. Okay? So the drums died completely. The bass, it just faded away. Okay? Simple arrangement and really just a nice, clean recording and a simple arrangement. It doesn't have to get more complicated than that. Okay? It's just a very nice, neat. Keep in mind, this is a pop song, obviously, and with pop songs, really, this is the arrangement we'll be looking at, but they do vary, and the choices that you make here are really important because that's going to give the song, that interest, give the listener the interest to actually continue listening here. It's a repetitive song, there's no bridge. So it's just verses, chorus, and it just keeps repeating that. And I think it repeats it 3 times. And then in the end, it repeats the chorus twice. So we got to add or take away something in order to keep it interesting and keep it sounding nice, and it's nice when there's something different happening there and it's not the same old thing repeating over and over and over again. As good as the song might be, if it's just a repetitive, it just, you lose interest. So you listen to the first couple of minutes and then, okay, well, I'm going to listen to the first couple of minutes, another couple of minutes, okay? It's just, we want to keep it fresh and keep it new. So hope that helps you with the arrangement of that one. I'll see you guys next time.